Hi guys, today I'm going to make a little moon garden and transplant some dwarf tomatoes and also another hybrid tea row. This plant is catnip. I'm not going to include any catnip in my moon garden because this one is fast growing. In 3 months time the width is already 3.5 feet. I don't have space. Hi guys, I have here some white flowers that I'm going to plant in ground in this portion of my backyard. Here in zone 7B, the Pitonia and Lantana are annual. Bodleia or butterfly bush, yarrow, and echinacea or cornflower are perennials. This plant here is the butterfly bush, which can grow up to 9 feet, but I'm going to prune them so that they don't have to be that high. Echinacea can grow as high as 3 feet. Lantana maybe 2 feet. The yarrow maybe 3 feet also. I'm going to plant the yarrow between the two butterfly bushes, and the distance from each other is 18 inches. It's quite hard to dig into this soil because it's clay, so I'm using here mulch for good drainage. Garden soil, triple 13 fertilizer, and I'm also going to use the native soil. My soil level will be the same as this one. I'm looking forward to see the blooms of this echinacea. I hope they are crisp white. The lantana dried up twice this week, so I was thinking maybe it's best to plant it in ground. I found some vinca or periwinkle flowers. Got some white. I think 2 plants died. I want to use the white one, but I noticed there's new buds or new growth, so I don't think it'd be wise disturbing them. I'm going to use a liquid bloom booster fertilizer for the lantana, and for the rest of the plants that are quite small and looking yellowish, I'm going to use the fish fertilizer every 5 days. I just left the ripe tomatoes that were dropped during the hailstorm on this pot. And look, I have some seedlings now. I'm going to transplant them into this bigger pot. Careful, careful. I'm going to water it with fish fertilizer. I have 2 first prize hybrid tea roses in this pot, and I bought another one yesterday, so I can plant it together with this too. The stems are going to face outward. So I used the triple 13 fertilizer, and starting next week I'm going to use the fish fertilizer and the bloom booster fertilizer once a week on different days. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and may the week ahead be kind to us.